Alright. What do I have to do today? Right. Climb on top of the Grandma? No, you cannot see this. This is private, Grandma. Get away. I need to climb to the top shelf. What this? Hey, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Feed me. Feed me. No, 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 Grandma. Oh, that really hurt. Oh, I need to get Grandma back. We need to find a weapon to get Grandma back. Grandma, you're not just gonna get away with that, alright? Ooh, food. This is really nice. Oh my god. Kinda thirsty. I'm gonna fill this up. There we go. Right. Completely missed. There we go. Ah. That's what you get. Listen to me, Grandma. I will claw you. Alright? Better feed me next time. Run, 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 run. Hide, hide, hide. Okay. Fish. Put you here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hide. Hide. Yeah. Is there a basketball to put in that? I saw a basketball on the trailer. Basketball. Yeah. Here you go. Look, it's so... I just ate it. Knock her out! Oh my god. No. No, Grandma. That's what you get. Give me them teeth. Give me the teeth. Run. No, Grandma, wait. What?